Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am here with a little haul that I did today. It is gloomy and rainy and cold here in Virginia, and yeah, I went shopping. I dropped off my daughter at work and we did some errands, and I went to just Five Below and to Hobby Lobby real quick. I didn't get a whole lot, but I wanted to share. This was interesting. I bought a paintbrush washer. Um, I have a mason jar on my table next to me, and this would be nice to have whenever I'm using watercolor or acrylic paint. Um, and it has a really it's okay. I mean, it's not a lot of water, but it will do. And I put it together. It was pretty easy to put together, and I don't know. I may have to adjust this. It's really tight, but the water will, it filters here, and then once it's dirty, you can just release it, and it goes to the bottom of the container. And this is what the container looks like. So I thought that was pretty cute for $5. I know it's terrible, but then I found this embroidered sketchbook. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. It is cute. I love the strawberries and the white flowers, and it's just a regular sketchbook. I'm a sucker for books, sketchbook, line paper, notebooks. I am definitely. And this was also $5. Okay, so Hobby Lobby, I saw a couple people with that they have their red, um, what do you call it, their red sticker sale. Um, so I did pick, this was supposed to be on sale, but yeah, they didn't give it to me on sale, which I think was cards and party, and there was a 40% off. I don't know. Anyway, they, I don't, if I argue with them, they don't do nothing. So this paper pad was, oh my gosh, autofocus, please, autofocus. It's not gonna do it. Oh my gosh, yikes. What is going on? Okay, there you go. Okay, so this paper pad was $3.49 from $12, and it's the Our Family Tree, and I didn't buy it for that. I, just looked at it real quick, and I saw some papers that I would love. I mean, that I love. That is me. It has a vintage feel, and it was something that I had to have, I guess. And I'm going to show you as soon as I get this stupid plastic thing on the side. So you don't really have to use it for a family tree. Oh my gosh, it's linen paper. Oh my god. It has that linen feel to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I love anything that has like text, distressing. So you get two of these, I think. Yeah, two of each. Look at it. I love this look. I love the muted tones. This is cute. You could like cut pieces of this off. I don't know if I would use that. I could use that as a background of some sort. But, oh my God, this is linen paper. Oh, I love it. So here's a green, a lot of text in the background. I was like, oh my gosh, this you can like cut in pieces, you know, and then this could be like a background. Oh my gosh, I love this type of paper. Has text and a really cool motif. This one has, oh, it reminds me of Prima paper, you know, with all the text and the textures and the floral or leaves. Here's more text in the corners, just like a blue plaid. Um, see that? You see that on the corners? It's so pretty. This is gorgeous. I love that. Here's a green. Looks so distressed. So you don't really have to use it. We got butterflies on the bottom here. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I mean, sometimes when I buy paper, I only like 1 or 2 sheets of paper in it, and then I don't know what to do with the rest. But this one, I think I can use this for like you know, field notes, journal, or I'm just loving it. You know, I love all the text and, you know, different pieces you can cut from and use. It would not go to waste. Oh, I love this. So pretty. Look at that one. Oh, I love this. This is, oh my gosh. There's only a few pages, like I'm coming up to one now. But I love the thickness of this paper and the feel of it. I love the linen feel. This, I don't know what I would do this. I could definitely cut these up and then use them, you know, in a journal for like labels. I could cut them in separate, you know, in little labels. This blue motif with some text in the background. Here's another one. I could use just this piece. You know, this could be just a background. So you don't have to use it for what it's intended for. I love this blue. I love the blue and the peachy colors and the light green. Like here's a plaid green with text in the corners. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this one. I love this one. All right, so let me get through this paper. This one you can cut up. Oh my gosh, I mean, you could do so much with this. I love this paper. I love the color. Oh, look at the blue and the pink. This one has pink on the bottom. Ah, look at this one. This one has butterflies in the corners. You can cut this up, guys, and use it on different projects. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was our family tree, and it was $3.49. I didn't get a whole lot because, I don't know. I got this, it's like pink gauze, like cheesecloth. They had it in pink, blue, and purple. This should have been on sale, but yeah, the girl wouldn't give it to me. I'm like, oh well. Okay, I got these cherries that were 99 cents. I could have got another one of these, but this is cute for birthdays. It was 87 cents. I found this one. It was the only one left. 74 cents. Happy 4th of July. This will go well with the papers, you know. I'm thinking about doing some index cards, you know, because it only comes with this one sheet. I can't put it on my projects. And then these were 62 cents for the Merry Christmas. I use these a lot, so I picked up a couple of those. And then lastly, I got these little snowmen to make Christmas projects this year, hopefully. Um, I just love it. And they're layered and, you know, and they're only 87 cents, so I got both of them. Um, so that is all that I got, but that paper was like the main thing I wanted. I didn't see any others. There were a whole bunch of different papers that were on sale, but they were just not really what I was looking for, and so they must have been picked over, you know, because I can't go until the weekends anyway now. I used to go during the week and pick up stuff, but now I can't. Um, so I want to wish everybody a blessed Memorial Day on coming up this Monday. Everyone, thank you for your service if you served in the and and just have a great weekend with family and friends. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.